Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our next topic from the biology, that is the heredity and evolution, and it is a very interesting topic. Okay, so let us start. What is all about the heredity? Okay, later we will study the evolution, but right now we will study heredity. So let's get familiar with the basic terms. What is heredity? Okay, or what are characteristics? A recognizable feature of a human being like height, complexion, shape of nose, chin, color of the eye, color of the hair, etc. These are called features. In general term, we used to say features, or these are called character traits, and the transmission of these feature is known as heredity. Okay, the hereditary information is present in the gametes of the parents. Thus, gametes constitute a link between the one generation and the next generation and pass on the maternal and paternal characters or traits to the offspring. Means the gametes provide a link between the parents and the offspring, because as a offspring, the offspring contains all the information, all the trait information from their parents. Okay, from the maternal side and from the paternal side. Okay, so gametes provides a link between the generation to the next generation. Okay, now heredity means here you can see that one man is there, one woman is there, and here is a child, and the child must have the characters from both the parents, means from the father and from the mother. Okay, is the child is looking like his father, the skin color is like his mother. So heredity means continuity of features from one generation to another generation. By variation, if there occurs some kind of changes, then it is known as the variation, and genetics is the science of heredity. Heredity, how would you recognize yourself so that someone would recognize you? So there are some changes, we do have some kind of uniqueness which make us different from the others, and these are all the traits and these are all the features which makes us different. We are not the exact copy to our parents. We do have sort of changes, sort of variation which makes us different from the others. Okay, and that is because of the passing of the character, and that come under the heredity. Okay, passing of the character from parents to offspring. So what is the heredity? The process by which traits and characteristic means again traits and features like the skin color, hair texture, curly or straight are reliably inherited from the parents to the offspring. Means again passing of the character, they are just passing from one generation to another generation. On what is trait? A trait is a particular characteristic, like the color of the skin, the color of the hair. Okay, so here comes the definition. What is heredity? Heredity is nothing but just the passing of traits, characteristic from parents to offspring. Okay, here in this diagram we can see that there are two people, and in their next generation they have passed on their character to the next generation, and the next generation would have passed on the traits or the characters to the next generation, and here and likewise the continuity goes on from parents to their offspring, like one generation to another generation, then another generation, likewise. So heredity is the passing of the characteristic or the trait from parents to the offspring, and it is also responsible how you have you met mother's eyes and your father's smile. Along with this inherited similarity thought, there is also variation, as we are not the exact clones, we are not the Xerox copy. Okay, here in this diagram we can see that there is a man, and the next generation there occurs short of variation, short of changes. Okay, like then the next generation will pass on their character to the next generation. Like in this diagram, the last figure where the four person are standing, the one person is must have the half character from the maternal side and the half character from the paternal side. That's why it is looking like half black and half blue. And in the next generation also they would have passed on the characters from the their generation to the next generation, and likewise the variation comes. Okay, so variation also occurs with the heredity. If there occurs some changes in the DNA replication, okay, then there occurs a variation. Variation means change. Like if our it is not necessary like if our mother is fairer, then we should be fairer. So both the parents contribute equal amount of genetic material like the DNA. This means that each trait can be influenced by both paternal and maternal DNA. Thus, each trait there will be two versions in each child. Okay, DNA. What is DNA? Children, DNA is the information source. It carries all the information for making proteins in the cell. It carries the information like what would be the color of the skin, what would be the eyes color, hair texture, straight or curly. So it carries all the information, and the child carries all the characters from parents, means half from the paternal side and half from the maternal side. Okay, and each trait there will be two versions in each child. There would be two versions in each child. So I hope you would have understand the topic, what is all about the heredity. Thank you for watching.